If you're managing a large company or multi-department team, you already know the challenges you'll face. For example, keeping everyone aligned, organized, and productive. Two of the top platforms dominating in 2025 and beyond are Notion and ClickUp. Both help you with project tracking, documentation, and team collaboration, but they take very different approaches. For example, when it comes onto Notion, it is a flexible workspace which allows you to build your own system for docs, projects, and wikis, while ClickUp on the other hand is an all-in-one productivity suite packed with structure, dashboards, and automation for large organizations. Now let's compare them side by side to find out which is best for your big company management. We'll kick things off by looking at Notion. What is Notion? Notion is a collaborative workspace that combines notes, documents, and project boards and databases all in one interface. It's known for flexibility. You can build anything from a company wiki, a task board, a CRM system, a documentation hub, even internal portals and dashboards. For large companies, Notion is often used as the single source of truth, replacing Google Docs, wikis, and scattered spreadsheets. You can create shared knowledge bases, embed dashboards and analytics, collaborate in real time, integrate with Slack and Jira and Google Workspace. It's ideal for teams that need clarity and documentation without strict project constraints. On the other hand, what is ClickUp? ClickUp is a complete project management and productivity platform built for large teams, departments, and enterprises. It combines everything into one system: task management, goals and OKRs, docs and wikis, time tracking, workload management, reporting dashboards. ClickUp is structured. For example, tasks lives inside lists inside folders, and folders inside workspaces. You can assign users, automate workflows, and integrate with over 1,000 different apps. It's built for teams who want accountability, visibility, and performance tracking across departments. Now let's talk about some key differences that I've observed when I've studied both platforms. For example, if we were to talk about collaboration and structure, with Notion it gives teams freedom. It's great for building wikis, documentations, and creative systems. It is also less rigid but requires setup, which big teams often handle with internal templates. While ClickUp on the other hand provides structure and hierarchy perfect for enterprise teams managing hundreds of projects simultaneously. It supports roles, permissions, and standardized workflows so managers can track every team's progress easily. If your company values flexibility and creativity, I would recommend that you go with Notion. If you need structure and performance visibility, I would recommend that you go with ClickUp. Also, if we were to compare them via automation and reporting, here is where ClickUp shines. You can automate repetitive tasks, track OKRs, manage workloads. Notion, on the other hand, focuses more on documentation and collaboration. It has fewer built-in automations, but integrates well with tools like Zapier, Make, and Slack to fill the gap. So for data-driven management, this is where ClickUp wins. For knowledge management and culture building, this is where Notion wins. And if we were to compare them via scalability and security, both platforms now cater to enterprise needs. Notion Enterprise offers SOS, advanced permissions, audit, and also single sign-in and advanced reporting permissions. However, ClickUp scales faster for larger teams, especially when managing cross-departmental projects with 100+ users. Notion scales beautifully for internal documentation, onboarding, and creative collaboration. Now let's compare them via pricing, starting with Notion. With Notion, while you can get started for completely free, as you can see right here, their monthly plan begins at $12 and it can go up to $24. With ClickUp, you can also get started for completely free as they offer a free forever plan. and it starts off at $7 per month per user for small teams, and for mid-sized teams it would be $12 per month per user. So both offer enterprise-grade security and volume discounts for over 100 plus seats. ClickUp generally costs more but offers deeper project analytics. Notion, on the other hand, costs less and offers greater customization freedom. Now, which one would I recommend you choose for your big company? I would recommend you choose Notion if you want an internal company hub for documentation, SOPs, and team collaboration, and you need flexibility over structure, and your team already uses tools like Jira, Asana, or Trello for execution. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose ClickUp if you want project management, reporting, and automation all in one platform, and you manage multiple teams or departments, and you need performance visibility, workload tracking, and structured scaling. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.